Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ashe County in northwestern North Carolina, Smythe County in southwestern Virginia, Kazoo County in southwestern Virginia, western Grayson County in southwestern Virginia, until 11:45 p.m. At 10:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Glenburg to Mountain City, moving east at 50 miles per hour.
Nice surprise at freaking 11 o'clock.
Source, radar indicated. Intact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, entries, and locations and areas increase. Bluefield, Caswell, Saltville, and Jefferson. Prepare immediately for damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downstreams or large winds, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and Twitter. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. for the following county: Grayson, Virginia,